Facing Google account verification is common for Samsung devices. Bypassing Google verification is crucial for forgotten credentials or buying pre-owned devices. This guide offers varied FERP bypass approaches for different scenarios, ensuring a fitting solution. Part 3. How to bypass Google lock on Samsung with Google Keyboard Android 6.0 or older. Perform a device reset during initial setup. Afterward, on the Google account verification interface, tap and hold on the keyboard to access Google Keyboard settings. Tap three dots, select Help and Feedback. Then, using Google Keyboard, click WebSarc, enter Settings, choose About Phone, tap Build Number 7 times. In Developer Options, select OEM Unlocking, tap back twice, restart, and add a new Google account to bypass FERP lock. Part 4. How to bypass Google account verification after reset Samsung via Talkback. Another way to bypass Google account on Samsung without PC is by using Talkback, an Android accessibility feature that aids visually impaired users. On top of that, this functionality offers spoken feedback, navigation guidance, gestures, and commands. Besides, it can customize settings, utilize text-to-speech, and even interact with devices using Braille displays. Part 5. How to bypass Google account on Samsung after factory reset with SIM PIN code. As you go deeper, you'll find there's an easier way to perform FERP bypass Samsung without PC compared with the previous one. Part 6. How to bypass Google verification on Samsung via Online Bypass Tool. The online FERP tool is ideal for skipping the Google account verification during Samsung device setup. It's a downloadable software that lets you bypass the Samsung FERP lock after a factory reset.